Hello guys, thank you for joining us in my daily portfolio update. Please, if you enjoy this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. That really helps us and helps the video. So without further ado, let's go ahead and review the index funds today. It's actually a pretty good day today. All the indexes were up. So Dow Jones, NASDAQ, SP 300, or SP 500 were up. So NASDAQ today going up 229 points, pretty much recovering from the past 2 days, which, that's awesome. Now we have the S&P 500 going up around 46 points, 46.65, really good as well. And then Dow Jones recovering from yesterday's little dip and adding a little extra, 283 points up. On days like these, we're all happy. So to review our Fidelity account balance, yesterday we had 996. Today we have 1,016. So we actually made $19.40. We had a total of 1.95% return for today, which is really good. Right here we have our top performers. Pretty much Tesla was our biggest performer, Nvidia and Apple. And then Spotify, CVS, and JP Morgan were our biggest losers today. In terms of percentage, we still have Tesla, Nvidia, and SGen. And then Seattle Genetics actually has been going down for the past few days. So today I'm happy to see that it's going back up. So we're really, really happy about that. Overall, as you guys will see, Tesla is by far, big gainer. But in terms of our total gain and loss in our portfolio, TJX is leading. DuPont and Apple, Tesla, Starbucks, Nvidia, Waste Management, Goldman Sachs, Spotify. We still have a positive amount right there. Pretty much all of our stocks are actually in gains, at least ending today. So we do have a few right here that are negative. Also Marvel, Seattle Genetics, we're still losing. But it's long term, so we're not too worried. Today we did start a position in CHWY. For all of you who don't know who CHWY is, it's pretty much like an online e-commerce platform for pet food and snacks for your pets. So for today's news, today we got a report from the U.S. Bureau, pretty much the consumer price index, and for the second month, we're actually getting a positive amount. It did exceed expectations. And so while this may not mean that everything's going back to normal, it might tell us that we're actually going through this and the worst might be, behind us. So they did come up with a 39%, like a 39-page report. I'll leave a link on the description in case you want to see this report. Next is Nkla stock. So it seems to be that Deutsche Bank, or however you pronounce it, is they're saying there's possible room for positive news on the stock. Nkla has been going up in price these past few weeks. From a low of 32, it's now almost 42, so it's gone up around $10. But it's way below where it used to be. So this is a good stock to keep in mind, and if you're looking for a little bit more aggressive investment, Nkla might be a good stock to own. Now Netflix could buy TikTok. I saw this interesting article at CNBC saying that if Microsoft doesn't go ahead with the deal, Netflix should step in. This is kind of interesting because I don't think Netflix is within that area of having like a social media page. I can see it's definitely a big company, and Netflix still has a lot of room to grow. Right now Netflix is at a good price. I mean, from where it used to be at $5.11, right now it's still at a good price to buy. However, I wouldn't be so hopeful. Obviously, if Netflix were to buy TikTok, Microsoft stock might be affected, so keep that in mind. Probably owning both stocks are still good long term, and you could still gain on both ends. So our bullpen for today, there are a few stocks that we're looking at. So Broom versus Carvana. Now we did sell Carvana like 2 days ago or yesterday, But Broom is an alternative to Carvana, and it seems to be getting a lot of momentum actually. It's been going up despite these past days. You know, the whole indexes were down, and then Carvana has been going up also since April. But you know, these are possible companies that might have a lot more in the future. Moderna today did get you know, some, I guess, like a good deal for like vaccines or something, and today it did spike very in the morning, but then it went down. So you know, just something we're keeping an eye on. Now Tesla, you know, it did report a split, but no news really. Just keeping our eyes on this stock. It could go up more. Peloton, you know, this could be the future of fitness. It is a little bit down, you know, from August 3rd, it's around 11% down. So this might be a good time to buy. And I do feel like this stock has a little bit more room to grow, especially in the future. So keeping our eye closely on this stock, we might be upgrading soon. Beyond Meat. Now, Beyond Meat, we don't have on our portfolio, but you know, the stock is down, and it's not down as much as we would like to, but you know, Beyond Meat is definitely a stock that is entering a good market and could go up. Square, you know, another one of those companies that could be benefited by COVID-19 and could come up stronger. So, you know, we're definitely seeing if right now it's a good time to buy. Fastly's actually been down. It was $118 and it went down right now to $75 in less than a week. So, you know, that's almost a 34% drop. Something definitely we're keeping an eye on, because this stock might go up, but it seems to be that we got to settle first the TikTok thing first. Now, the trade desk, this stock could go higher, and you know, a lot of people are saying it might go higher, so we're just keeping this stock close to us and possibly investing in it soon. But other than that, guys, that's it for today. A little bit rushing, a little bit of everything, but if you enjoyed the video, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.